Hey guys, Rusty here at Ugly HP. So here is the parts for this charger. If you look at this camshaft, you can see we have an issue here. Let me take you over here. Something is different here. So this guy ordered this kit online and it did not come with tone rings. Now these tone rings are magnetic and are put on by computer. So if they are off by a degree, you're gonna have issues. It's gonna show up because every camshaft on this has a sensor in the front, and then you have your camshaft sensor back here, both sides. So it's reading, these are your VVTs, that's reading, driving it, and then this one back here is reading off of both sensors. So if one of these is off, basically it's impossible. The guy tried to save money because one camshaft through Daytona Dodge or any Dodge dealership is $800 a piece. So don't make the same mistake this guy made. Get your camshafts with the tone ring on them. They have